Hey y'all, Lysandra Everett here, and I want to shoot this quick video to show you how to unenroll from the advance payments for the child tax credit for 2021. As it states here, they're going to issue the first advance payment on July 15th, and then they have this link here available to show you what the rest of the schedule is and some frequently asked questions. So you can click on that link. Okay, so it's going to show your eligibility, your advance payments, and how to unenroll. Now, please keep in mind that if you get these payments, you have to keep track of this because these are going to be reconciled on your 2021 tax returns. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so it already says here what you're going to need. If you don't have an existing IRS username or ID.me account, have your photo identification ready, okay? Because you are going to have to verify your ID in order to do this, okay? Then you want to click Unenroll from Advanced Payments. Now, you can sign in here with ID.me or with an existing IRS username, okay? I have an existing IRS username. And please note here that if, what if I can't verify my identity, then you can use one of the alternative options, and it also asks what is ID.me. Now, I come from a military background, and so we have been using ID.me for several years now, if you've never heard of it. So if you're wondering if ID.me is an okay site, yes, it is. All right. But I'm going to sign in with an existing IRS username. Okay, when you sign in using your IRS username, you're going to get a 6-digit security code. So you need to have your phone available with you in order to use that and then put the code in. Okay, so now I'm inside the portal. So first of all, you can find out if you're eligible by clicking this link. And then you can go through here and read the qualifications. Now, there's also the non-filer portal. This portal is for you if you are not required to file a tax return. Now, if you are required to file a tax return, please do not use this portal, this non-filer portal, because if you do, then this is actually going to file a return for you. This is not what you want, okay? So again, this shows you what the qualifications are to receive the advanced child tax credit payments. Now, let me also stop and answer the question, why would you want to opt out? With this credit, it's going to be based on your 2021 income. All right. Now, if you receive too much credit during the year, you're going to have to pay that back. So if you are not okay with having to pay it back or possibly pay it back, then you want to opt out. And then you will receive whatever credit you are entitled to when you file your 2021 return. But I have another video on what those qualifications are. So I just wanted to make sure that was clear. All right. So you have your eligibility, eligible, yes, status enrolled. Now, once payments start going out, it will have processed payments, but right now there are no processed payments. If you want to unenroll, simply click unenroll from payments. And it tells you right here, by choosing to unenroll, you're telling us you don't want to receive advanced child tax credit payments. If your most recently filed tax return was a joint tax return, your spouse will also need to unenroll. Unenrolling is an individual action. If your spouse does not unenroll, they will receive payments for their portion of the advanced child tax credit, okay? So that's something to keep in mind. I am going to click I understand and want to proceed. And it's asking you again, yes, I would like to unenroll and I understand I can't enroll again. So you're agreeing to not receive child tax credit payments, okay? You will not be able to re-enroll, so you can't go and change your mind, okay? So I'm going to click I agree to unenroll and then hit submit. And it says here you have successfully submitted your request to unenroll. It may take up to 7 days to process your unenrollment request. You don't need to take any action. Now, because it's going to take some days, you can't wait until July 15th and when the payments are expected to go out and say, oh, okay, I want to unenroll, because you're probably going to get that first payment anyway. All right. But still, no, it's going to take some time to process. And that's it. Okay. So I hope this helps you out. If you would like to unenroll, then this is the process you need to go through. If you are married filing joint, then your spouse also needs to go through that. It may be one person opts out, one person stays in, right? That one person that stays in is going to get their portion of the child tax credit payments. Okay. So I hope that helps you out. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.